frequent use might cause a necklace clasp to break. When this happens, many think that they must take it into a jeweler for an expensive repair or replace the broken necklace. But this isn't always necessary. Hi, my name is Akmakjian from BriteCo Jewelry and Watch Insurance. Today, I will show you how to fix a broken necklace clasp with some tools that you'll have at your house. Fixing a broken necklace clasp is easy and only requires a few tools that most already have at home. You will need jewelry pliers or needle nose pliers, a soft microfiber polishing cloth, a magnifying glass, a new clasp, and a small pair of shears or scissors. To fix a damaged necklace clasp, first identify the problem. The standard lobster clasp has two parts, the clasp itself and the jump ring on the other side of the necklace. The damage could be caused by the jump ring deforming or part of the clasp becoming damaged. Using pliers, shears, or small scissors, carefully pry open the damaged jump ring or clasp. Be gentle, as necklaces are often made of soft metals. Before fixing the damage, ensure that the chain is securely connected to both the jump ring and the clasp. If there's a gap, close it with gentle pressure from your pliers. If the jump ring or clasp doesn't close or has a visible gap, try to bend the metal back into shape. Check it to see if it closes securely and if there are no cracks or kinks in the metal. If you can't repair the part, replace it with a new lobster clasp or jump ring. Open the chain link that connects the ring or clasp to the rest of the chain. Thread the open metal through the ring or clasp and crimp it closed using the same technique as you used before. Test your repair by pulling the necklace in opposite directions. Use a microfiber cloth to buff the area around the clasp or restore it to shine. You can also use a finger pressure to make minor adjustments to your repair work. Simple ways to prevent breaks include properly storing your necklaces, checking the clasp condition before you wear it, and make minor adjustments before breakage occurs, and having your pieces regularly cleaned and maintained by a professional jeweler. Thanks for watching. Contact us for more information or get your free jewelry insurance quote.